I am Kohila, Assistant Professor of Economics, Arumugam Pillai Seethai College, Tirupattur, Sivagangai District, Tamil Nadu. We are going to discuss about the concept of law of demand. Let us start with introduction. The law of demand is one of the most fundamental concepts in economics. It works with the law of supply to explain how market economies allocate resources and determine the prices of goods and services that we observe in everyday transactions. Then, what is law of demand? The law of demand states that other factors being constant, that is ceteris paribus, price and quantity demand of any good and service are inversely related to each other. When the price of a product increases, the demand for the same product will fall. The law of demand is based on various assumptions. Some of these are: first one, prices of the related goods do not change. Second one, incomes of the consumers do not change. Third one, tastes and preferences of the consumers remain constant. Fourth one, this law is not applied in the case of substitute goods. This table represented the variation of price of wheat and quantity demand of wheat. This diagram shows that the variation of price of wheat and quantity demanded. The quantity demanded is on the horizontal or x-axis, and the price of wheat is on the vertical or y-axis. When the price is rupees 15, 2 kg of wheat is demanded. If the price falls to rupees 14, the demand of wheat increases to 3 kg. When the price decreases up to rupees 9, the demand of wheat increases to 8 kg. In the figure, point A of the demand curve D dash shows demand for 2 kg at the rupees 15. As the price falls to 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9, the demand rises to 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8 respectively. This is clear from points A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Thus, the demand curve D dash shows increase in demand of wheat when its price falls. This indicates the inverse relationship between price and demand. Thank you.